Hi and welcome back. This week I was thinking that my son's playhouse needs an electrics. It's not far from the garage, but I don't really like to draw the electric cable with the huge volts to the playhouse. So the idea was this. I have this solar panel that I got from my dad, and this is the charging regulator, and I ordered some 12 volt LED lights there's two of these, and now I have to do the stand for the panel to the roof. I could do some kind of L brackets and that would be the end of it, but it wouldn't make a good video, would it? So the idea is to make a housing for this panel and the other square for the roof, and some kind of brackets that the angle is adjustable. This is for the material. It's 30 by 30 millimeters angle iron, and I'm gonna make the housing for the solar panel from this and the brackets for the roof. So here it is, all painted and good. I think I'm gonna leave this part here and do the installing and the electrical work on the other half. This just works like this. It can be changed direction and angles, so I'm gonna have to consult my father, and he knows which angle is the best for these kind of things, because he's the pro. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and like button, and leave a comment what you think about these things that I do, and let's see you on the part 2. Bye.